Hello, my name is Monica Dent. I am a senior at MC Squared STEM High School. I am in the Science Internship Program for Nursing, and I will be presenting on decreasing repetitive inpatient falls using a fall prevention tool during nursing huddles. A little bit of my background. Fall is the unintentional loss of balance causing one to make an unexpected contact with the ground or the floor. Falls are prevalent among older adults, a costly expense to hospitals, and the most common cause of non-fatal injuries and hospital admissions for elderly patients. Some injuries include lacerations, fractures to the spine, hip, legs, ankles, and various other traumas. A couple statistics through my research: 1 out of 3 adults aged 65 and older falls each year. Among those aged 65 and older, falls are leading cause of injury and or death. By 2020, the annual direct and indirect cost of falls injuries expected to be $54 billion. On average, the hospitalization cost for a fall injury is $17,500. Most hospitals do not get reimbursed for patients who fall, so this is why a post-fall huddle tool is very important to have in place. The chart to the right is a actual data from Euclid Hospital. For each quarter in the critical care, surgical, and med-surg floors, each quarter shows how many patients have fallen on each floor, and it's compared to the national average of what that's supposed to be. As you can see on most of the floors, that they are scarcely high. My hypothesis was using a fall prevention tool during a nursing huddle facilitates an intervention that could decrease repetitive inpatient falls at Euclid Hospital. So for my methodology, I did literature review and then reviewed past assessments such as tools, any kind of programs or initiatives throughout other hospitals, regionally, and the Cleveland Clinic. Assessed which inpatient floors had the greatest problem. At Euclid Hospital, the greatest number of falls was the 8th floor and Rehab 1. I went on to analyze data in SIRS, which is Safety Event Reporting System, to help guide what kind of information will be beneficial in creating a post-fall huddle tool. I incorporated SIRS data reports, literature reviews, and staff reports. Also, part of my methodology was revising the tool with the nurse managers because this tool will be implemented on the floors, and the nurse managers play an important role in educating the nurses how to use the tool. The goal is to run an experimental trial on Rehab Floor 1 and Med-Surg Floor 8. Data that was concluded was SIRS, Safety Event Reporting System, and potential data that I could pull from is the NDNQI and EPIC systems. Since my project is not IRB approved, it's in retrospects, the nurse managers tend to see a decrease in inpatient falls using the huddle tool, increased insight as to prevent a fall before and after huddles, and the communication increase regarding interventions that facilitate more huddles. This is a chart of what could possibly happen. The blue line is the projected new trend, and the orange line is of the previous trend at Euclid Hospital, and that data is collected from SIRS. If the post-fall huddle tool was implemented in enough time, I would be able to analyze the falls data, find out trend patterns, what improvements can be made, assess whether or not this tool is helpful, because the tool is made for nurses, and if it's not helpful, then I can go and make improvements to make sure it is helpful and it is actually reducing falls. We want increase communication, and decrease repetitive falls. My recommendation is that Euclid Hospital utilizes a post-fall huddle tool to help make an effective decrease in inpatient falls and increase nurse communication regarding compliance with fall risk patients. I would like to thank my mentor, Sarah Kisco, for working with me this summer, as well as the employees in the Quality Management Department at Euclid Hospital and the Cleveland Clinic Office of Civic Education Initiatives. Thank you.